In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get a US phone number. Yes, a United States of America's phone number. Now, there are many benefits of getting a US phone number. Now, a US phone number helps you benefit from the US market. The reason it's important for you to get a US phone number is because it's majorly for people who are digital creators, online entrepreneurs, and people who do sort of business online. Because most of our gigs and transactions comes from the US. In this case, it's very important to have a US phone number for your online transaction. So if you watch this video to the very end, you are going to be discovering how you can get a permanent US number for free without using any VPN. My name is Numero. I'm a serial entrepreneur, a YouTuber based in Nigeria. So I create videos around making money online, business and tech videos. Join our amazing community by hitting that subscribe button to join our amazing tribe of subscribers, and do well to like this video if you are getting value from this video already. And in this video, I won't be showing you how you can just get a US phone number, but other foreign countries, right? Now, this number allows you to create a paper account, Payoneer, Fiverr, Upwork, WhatsApp, etc. So I'll take you to my screen right now, showing you how you can get this very number for almost free without using any VPN. So with that said, let's get started as I show you all the process. Getting a US number has never been so easy until this app came into place. Right now, the first thing you have to do is to download this app from Play Store. I'm going to be sharing the link with you later on. So what you are going to do next is to register an account with them. As you can see, this is the interface of this very app. So let's go ahead and get a free account with them. So as you can see right now, they're telling us to log in, right? Login required. We are going to click on OK, and we are going to get a free account with them, right? We don't have an account, we would have clicked on login, but we are going to click on create an account. If you have an account already, click on login, but if you are new here, click on create an account. We'll click on create an account, and we are going to create an account with our Google address, which is our Gmail address, right? So you just click on it. So you're going to choose in your email address right here. So once you click on it, it's going to load up, and boom, you are going to fill in your account details, right? So the first thing you have to put in right here is to put your country, right? If you are from another country, Ghana, Cameroon, select your country and put your country right there. Well, I'm from Nigeria, so I'm going to click on Nigeria right there. So I'm going to put in my address, which is the next thing I'm going to put in, right? Just put in your address right there. You can put in a nearby location, a landmark, or a popular address right there. So we are going to move down to our city. We're going to put in our city right there, right? The city you live in. If you're from Nigeria, just put in your city right there. All right, we're going to put in your city. So once we input our city right now, we are going to scroll down and we're going to put in our zip code. Our zip code is the same thing as our postal code, right? You can just go to Google and search for your postal code. Go to Google, search for the postal code or zip code of your state or city. Then all the postal code is going to arrive. So you're going to put in right there, right? Your postal code, you click on create an account. And once you click there, boom, your account is going to be created in the next few seconds. And boom, your account is created, right? As you can see right now, our account is created. If you check up right, as you can see, hello, Unoma, good afternoon. So our account is created right now. Now we can have access to unlimited free USA number and other related countries like UK, Canada, Australia, and Germany. These are all the numbers you'll be having access to right here. Now you can go ahead and check your profile. This is my profile right here. You can check it to make sure everything is updated and everything is intact, right? And we can just go back, and what we are going to do right now is to have access to a free number. Now there are two types of numbers right there. There are public numbers and there are private numbers. Now public numbers are numbers that are visible to all, right? That are visible to anyone and everyone. And private numbers are numbers that is only private to you. This is your personal number and is safeguarded on your account, right? Nobody can access it except only you, right? But we are going to go for public numbers. That's the number we are here for. So we are going to go ahead and click on public number and get public number. In other videos, I'll be showing you how you can have access to private numbers, but that will be other videos. So make sure you stay subscribed to this very channel so that you will not miss out on that video when it's up next. So while we are here right now, so you can see connect globally, keep public numbers and wait. Pick a country from the list, all right, below to get your free virtual phone number, right? These are different countries available right now, right? This is the one that is trendy right now, which is UK, USA, Canada, and these are other countries right now: Poland, Puerto Rico, France, Romania, Estonia, Netherlands, Spain. Scroll down. These are numerous countries available right now. That means you don't have to just get a US number, but you have access to numerous countries. You can have access to their numbers and you can use them for whatever purpose you want to use them for, right? The reason we are here right now is to get a USA number. So we are going to click on USA, which is United States.
and it's going to load up for us. Right here, right now, these are numbers which are available for US. Now, if you scroll down, these are numerous number, USA number you can have access to. Hundreds of US numbers you can have access to. It's still loading right now, and these are numbers. I'm still scrolling down, right? And these numbers are free of charge, guys. Now, this is a premium tip for you. Now, getting a US number or getting other country number, you want to choose a number that is new, right? Just check out a tip right now. You can see that there's a new icon right here. Let me just point it for you. This is a new icon, new, as you can see. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 numbers are new, right? You want to go for new numbers, which is a numbers that are recently updated on the platform. That's the number you want to go for, because these numbers are fresh and have not been tapped into. So I'm going to click on one of these new numbers right now, and I'm going to access it. I'm going to close this ad, and it's going to load up for us. So as you can see right now, they're telling us that swipe down for new messages. I'm going to click OK. As you can see, I can easily just go ahead and copy the number right here. Just copy the number right here. So once you copy the number is already copied on clipboard. That means I can use this number right now. So guys, as you can see, these are messages on these very numbers right now. This message right here was received 25 seconds ago, 26 seconds ago, 2 minutes ago. And if you scroll down, these are numerous message which has been received by this very number right now. As you can see, if you check the status right here, you can see that this number is very much active, right? Status active. That means this number is active. But note that these numbers are restricted to some platforms. Like, I want to advise you use this number for Fiverr, Upwork, or maybe all those important platform that demands your personal information. Why? Because these numbers are public numbers. They are not private numbers, right? They are free public numbers you can use to verify and sign up or test an account, right? Now, this is not just one number. So you can have access to numerous numbers, as you can see, and you can use for whatever site or whatever sign up you want to use it for, right? Now, this is not just only for US. Now, this is UK, right? UK numbers you can also have access to, right? These are numerous UK numbers right here, right? The same thing is applied to this, right? These are new ones that are just updated right now. If you click on them, we are going to close this ad. They are going to take you to where you can have access to this very number, and you can use it for whatever purpose you want to use them for. So as you can see right now, you can just copy the number right here, and you can use it for whatever purpose you want to use it for. And right here right now, this number is active, right? Which is very active, and you can use it right now. So guys, I believe you already got the information from this video. So I will be recommending another platform you can get a free USA number from, right? So guys, this is how you can get a free number from this very platform. And another platform you can get a free US number from is what called Receive SMS. So guys, this is how you can get a US number for free, right? You can get a free US number with this platform. They are not charging you anything for it. And these numbers can be used to verify accounts and maybe test a website, or maybe check out or use it to bypass a website that does not allow Nigerians or Africans, all right? And you can also use it for your verification. Now, what I will advise you to do is using these numbers to register on platforms like Fiverr, WhatsApp, Upwork, these platforms. The reason is because this platform needs your personal information, and you will also be getting paid via this platform and all of that. And these numbers are not a permanent number, right? They won't be here for long. They are temporary number, right? So these numbers might be needed when you want to withdraw your money from this platform like Fiverr, Upwork, and all of that. So in this platform, you need what we call personal or a private numbers, not a public numbers like this case may be. Now, if you want to know how you can get a private numbers you can use to register on Upwork, Fiverr, just let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to do a video on that on this same platform for you, on how you can get that, on how you can get a private numbers for free. So guys, I believe you got value from this video. As well, please like this video, and as well subscribe if you have not joined the community, and let me know if you want a video on how you can get a private numbers you can use for platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and some important platform that needs your private information. So guys, with that said, I'll see you around. Bye for now.
So guys, thanks for watching this video. I believe you got value from this video. Now, this process will help you get a US number for almost free, right? I believe this video was valuable to you. As well, please like this video. That will help me a lot. And if you have not joined this community, please subscribe right now. It's free to subscribe. You are paying nothing for that. Now, with that said, I have other videos showing you other way you can start growing your business in the internet. I will advise you click this video right here, shown right here, to access that video. With that said, I'll see you right here. Bye.